15-minute declutter, mudroom, coats, jackets, winter things. It is summer, pretty much. And we are just now decluttering all of this because sometimes things take time. We're going to spend 15 minutes max going through, getting all of this organized and figuring out what has to be washed, what needs to go to the dry cleaner, and making this like summer friendly. It's only gonna be 15 minutes. Let's get started. We're going to, the plan is go through all of the hooks, then those are all fine. Shoes, then we'll do shoes. So hooks, shoes, done. Ready? Let's go. Okay, this is my husband's. This is for soccer, so this should go. So we have a shoe closet right here, and that is where I hang things. I'm not touching that. I'm just going to be putting things in there to do later. So this gets to be hung up. I gotta fix all of that. Okay, so that'll be on my list. This is fine. This is fine. The dog does not need, I can wash that. My snow pants. I can wash my snow pants. These, dry clean. This one I can wash, right? Let's check. Can I wash this? Machine wash cold. Sweet. Okay. Zip this up. Look at this. Throw it in the wash. This one, dry clean. My section's done. This, we can wash, right? See, check the label. Where's the label? Where's the machine wash cold. Fabulous. Okay. Snow pants. This one I know. Okay. All right. This purse is fine. All right, all the purses. We're going to put all the purses together on hooks. And then all dance bag. There we go. You know what? I'm going to do this. We'll scoot this dance bag over. There we go. This is easier. Dance bag. Okay, he's got all the hats. This I can wash. Okay, basketball, snow pants I can wash. Oh my gosh, look at that. Snow pants, zipper. This we can wash too. We'll just do that. It's done. Shoes. Let's go through shoes. Okay, we'll start this end. These are all, his shoes are fine. Adley's shoes, there, all of those are fine. My shoes, these I don't need to keep in there anymore. These are outside shoes. I don't really know if I like those shoes anymore. Okay, I'm going to put those in there too, and then decide. I don't think Ben's shoes are fine. Yes, look at that. We just did something super obnoxious in less than 15 minutes. By obnoxious, I mean clean something. Because we are going to wash all of the stuff. This is, for me, this is like my next step. So I'm going to start washing all of our winter gear. And then I'm going to put my 2 jackets that I need to get dry cleaned in the car. So there. All right, we'll get this started. Delicate, okay. Okay. This is the only thing that can't be washed. I have my pile of things to do next. And so now we're going to put the stuff in my car. I'm going to put my 2 jackets. I just get them dry cleaned once a year at the end of the season. And then that's just one thing I do. They are going to go in my car in the front seat. So every time I jump in, I'm reminded that I need to drop them off at the dry cleaner. And that like nuisance is going to make me want to do it even faster. Okay, I got all of the jackets and snow pants out of the dryer, and now I'm going to put them away in our front hall closet. We don't really use our front hall closet, so it's kind of like the storage area of all of the extra things. I have a bin for all of the snow pants and the dog's sweaters, and then I hang all of our winter jackets and like fall, like basically all of our jackets go in our front hall closet. We did it. That was all I planned to do, was just get this cleaned up, and we did that. 15-minute declutter, ADHD friendly, because we just focused on this one particular area. You can do this too. Write in the comments where you're gonna go, pick a spot, and I have more Declutter with Me ADHD friendly videos that you can check out in the playlist as well.